I'm getting ready to go inside myself. Oh my God. Everything's destroyed. Everything's dead. I can't believe this.
The home is one of the places that's a sanctuary for people, and it's not just the building itself, but it's the contents inside. You know, you can't replace family heirlooms, you can't replace important documents, pictures, things like that you can't replace.
Texas has probably the most flash flooding of any other state.
Texas is a land of perennial drought, broken by intense floods. If you live anywhere in the state of Texas, that's from El Paso to Beaumont, Brownsville to Amarillo, we have a history of intense rainfalls, and that's going to produce catastrophic flooding.
The geography certainly supports big weather, big rainstorms. You have the Gulf of Mexico,
which is a source of warm, moist air to fuel thunderstorms.
And you have a lot of terrain right in the central Texas and a lot of drier air.
So it takes that heavy rainfall, concentrates it really quickly, so you see tremendous rises on rivers within a matter of 2 or 3 hours.
That makes a pretty volatile mix at times.
Even though you may not be in a flood zone, you could still potentially have flooding.
Some subdivisions, places where people live 20 or 30 years, it's never flooded there, except now upstream of them, there's subdivisions, parking lots, highways, and so that concentrates that runoff.
We always look back at the past and try to extrapolate how rare an event is. There's lots of things that can happen for the next storm. So you just can't assume looking back at one storm that I'm good, it won't flood again next time.
I think one of the best things you can do is get flood insurance. A lot of people think that their homeowners covers them from flooding, and it does not.
It's really not very expensive. If you can afford it, it's something to really take a look at.
It's always a good idea to have flood insurance, have that protection for your home, for your contents, because once the flood occurs, it's too late.
I will have faith. We'll start over.